hours of despair, after loads of times I've wasted on the desert air, I come around hoping to get washed away inside, to get blended into curtain in the fading light. It's a thing I can't deny. When my hopes are high, I keep singing with the wind. Let's go, keeping up the way we've been. For the last 2 years we tried and cut the flow. It's a complimentary passion still, just remembering to never let it go. I come around Wednesday, after times of disarray, after bits and bytes of other jabberay. I'll be around quarter to the next fulfilling two. When my head is spinning, I can't stop to think of you. It's a thing no one can know. I'll climb it up from down below with the one letting me go. Let's go, keeping up the way we've been. For the last 2 years we tried and cut the flow. And it's a complimentary passion still, just remembering to never let it go. But a time so hollow, I'm getting older,